Zoe. Time to wake up, Zoe. Zoe. Wake up. Zoe. Wake up, Zoe. Zoe. Wake up. Wakey, wakey. Zoe. Wake up, Zoe. Wake up. Zoe. Welcome to your day. Time to do some cooking.
Wake up! Wake up. What's up? You're supposed to wake up. Just wake Man, I gotta change. That's better. Hey guys, it's Zoe, and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we're making strawberry delicacy toast. Here are the ingredients you need. I don't know about your mom, but my mom loves foot massages. Oh, that feels so good. Flowers. We picked some flowers for you. Thank you, they're beautiful. And food. And that's why this week we're celebrating moms all week long because it's Mother's Day. First we're gonna toast the toast. And make sure to be careful or else you'll be doing my new dance, hot fingers. While the bread's toasting, we're gonna wash the strawberries and cut them. If you have some Nutella left from last week's recipe, you can use that. But if you don't, you can get some more Nutella. It's okay if your toast was a little burnt. Somebody got burned.
The building is on fire.
First we're gonna spread the Nutella on, then we're gonna put some strawberries, and then after that we're gonna sprinkle some almonds. Now that that's done, it's time for my special taste tester to try it. How is it? Rating from 1 to 10. 10. Okay.
I think that was 20.
No, it was a 10 because she won.
That would be 20.
Oh my gosh! Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And join us Thursday as we continue our special Mother's Day celebration. Bye! Bye!